Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for deep dives into top-rated tools and gear. Today, we're looking at what we consider the best Dewalt Metric Socket Set. The Dewalt Mechanics Tool Set, 84-piece, model DWMT81531. Let's get straight into it. What sets this kit apart is its thoughtful blend of durability, versatility, and professional-grade features, all packed into one portable set. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is the rugged, blow-molded case. It's not just a container, it's engineered with metal latches and a solid structure to ensure these tools stay organized and protected whether you're on the move or working in the garage. Inside, you get a total of 84 pieces, neatly arranged and easy to identify. At the heart of the set are the 72 tooth ratchets, both 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive pair head ratchets. With just a 5-degree arc swing, these ratchets allow you to work efficiently in tight spaces, making them ideal for automotive jobs or around the house repairs. The smooth action and fine gearing give you precision and power in one compact form. Another standout feature is the anti-slip driver handle. It's ergonomic, grippy, and reduces fatigue when you're tackling longer tasks. It's designed to sit comfortably in your hand and give you the torque you need without compromising comfort. The tools themselves are built with full Polish chrome, offering not just a sleek look but also superior corrosion resistance. That means these tools aren't just functional, they're built to last. Dewalt isn't playing around when it comes to longevity and resilience. This set is built for those who expect performance from day one and every day after. One of the more subtle features that makes a big difference is the clear labeling and standardized sizing. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just getting into DIY repairs, you'll find the layout intuitive. You're not wasting time hunting for the right piece. It's all laid out in a clean, professional-grade presentation. It's also worth mentioning that the weight of the kit comes in at 4.2 kilograms, giving it a solid feel without being overly bulky. You can toss this in your car, bring it to a job site, or store it on a shelf with confidence that it's not going to fall apart or be a hassle to carry. Now, pricing. This set usually retails for around $78.99, but it's often on sale. As of now, it's available for $55.10, which is an absolute bargain for the level of quality you're getting. For international buyers, it's also worth noting that shipping and import charges to locations like India do apply, so make sure to factor that in. All in all, the Dewalt 84-piece set isn't just another toolbox filler. It's a curated selection of high-utility tools backed by Dewalt's reputation for engineering excellence. Whether you're upgrading your current set or starting fresh, this kit delivers on every front: function, form, and long-term value. That wraps up today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hands-on breakdowns of the best tools in the market. This has been Product Critique. See you in the next one.